What's going on, guys? Caden at 86 Speed, and today is a very special day. We're going to be installing a Remark Axleback on a GT86. Now, if you guys saw our previous video on the exhaust buyer's guide that I did, I mentioned the Remark Axleback as, in my opinion, it is one of the best sounding Axlebacks you can get for your 86. And right now we are actually doing a sale on these Axlebacks. So if you want one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. So get them while they're here because they will sell out fast. So anyways, guys, let's do some before and after comparisons of the Axleback and get it on the car. All right, so we got the Axleback all set up for the car. These are 14mm bolts that come with the Axleback. So we got the gasket and the bolts lined up for here. All you'll need is 14mm ratchet. This is a Milwaukee that we have. Makes your life a lot easier. And I highly recommend this tool.
This is an exhaust hanger bushing pusher. Basically what it is you hook this on the backside of your bushing. It's nice to have this. It's not needed, but what you do is you're gonna go in here and you're gonna push the bushing right off.
So to remove the Axleback on the GT86, you got two 14mm bolts back here, and then you got 4 exhaust hangers holding this Axleback. You got one here, another here, and then another here, and then a 4th one here. So on the customer's OEM Axleback, one of his hangers actually tore right off. So luckily, the Remark comes with replacement bushings. Trying to get these ones on.
So just spray it a little bit. I like to use a detail cleaner, you know. Works the best.
No, it does not. Don't give him misinformation, Tommy. All right, that's the new gasket with the new hanger bushings. Makes the car feel alive.
Oh, yes.
That sounds so much better than stock. Here it comes. All right, I think that sums it up for today, guys. Like I said, if you want this Remark Axleback for yourself, I will leave a link in the description for you guys, as we are having an ongoing sale for this Axleback. And with that, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy.